Hi, now we're starting a new job. It's demo day and we're going from the front door, starting to load out into the apartment. It's always fun. There's so much stuff that we can't even start the demo in here. Of the real big demo of the walls that come down, these will come down, that'll all come down. And we have so much in here that the guys have to try to get everything out so we can make room and start the heavy demo this afternoon. We try to get it all done in a couple days. So that we can understand that we don't want to make noise, you know, to bother everybody, but this is where we start. And as you can see, we've got a lot out of here. We have the kitchen out of here, and we have a long ways to go. So let me do part two.